Hey, it's your boy Matthew. Welcome to another video of Naturescape. I hope since the last time we talked you are grabbing life by the balls and making positive changes. In this video, I have a little bit of a special thing for you. It is me building a shed. Some of it's kind of time-lapsed, some of it I'm explaining what I'm doing. It's just a quick snippet and it's kind of cool because you can save money. Here's what I got so far. A 7x3 storage shed. It'll probably only be 20 inches tall on one side and 24 inches tall on the other side, with a sloped roof that will be also the lid. Cool. So far to get started, I have 2x4s. This is the 7x3 frame. And these are treated 2x4s because this will sit on the ground. And I'll probably put it up on some cement blocks as well. Just because, you know, it's like I could pay 2 months rent at a storage facility for 80 bucks or whatever it's going to be, who knows, or I could spend that 80 bucks in material and build myself a portable permanent storage shed that I will have maybe 50 years into my life. And then alright, so here is going to be the box frame. This is basically the floor of my little shed that I'm going to build. Perfect. And I use Torx head 2.5 inch long screws. Maybe a little bit overboard, but that is what I'm doing. And since I don't have a nailer for the other framing, I just got some common nails and I'll just be hand nailing all the framing. Cool beans. Let's get some more wood, more supplies, Holmes. Come on. And Maynard's is just the place. Oh yeah. Going in the out. If I can, and I can. Alright. Now you're dealing with prices and stuff. Ooh, that's a lot cheaper than this. I'm actually going to put a piece back of this, but I was just going to say I'm all loaded up, but no, not. Found some cheaper stuff. So since I don't have any pneumatic nailer or electric nailer or otherwise, hammer and nails the old-fashioned way. Just finishing up. Alright, just for a little bit extra sureness, add some screws. Alright, and there you have the floor for my shed. Okay, so I have my corner posts made. If this was any bigger, I might put a bottom and top plate on it, but it's small, and I think this will do for plenty support.
Fuckity fuck.
Check out this really terrible table saw.
That table saw is so bad, you're better off fucking your gay friend's girlfriend.
I mean, look at that! What the fuck, man? That's not operator error. That's tool malfunction, man. So I got some of this press board siding. It looks a little bit messy right now, but basically I just have to fold the building wrap up real quick. And again, my stapler broke, so I am just tacking it up with some nails, small little common nails, like 1.5 inches. It works. The shell has been completed. Now I have to move the shell from here to its final resting place. Well, not necessarily final because it's movable. Oh, look at that. But I cleared out this area and I'm going to set this on pallet. And the bottom is already, as I said, treated. So my dad's going to help me move it. You ready?
I'm ready.
Check out his earring. It's really weird.
Glasses on.
It's a little heart. The two of them? What? Weird. I like your shirt though. Well, it's quite tedious, but these are my first 3 holes. But what I'm doing is I'm just doubling them up, doing 2 at a time, so. As you can see, that's pretty tedious work, but it's done and it doesn't take more than like 10-15 minutes. And you got yourself a hinge. Cool. Alright, I installed this little piece all the way along. That's basically what the lid will sit on. I took a treated piece and ripped it in half, top and bottom. Basically, it's like a fascia piece. And then this is what I'm going to set the hinge on. And underneath here. It's always toughest to start everything out, but it's not fully fastened down, but I'm just going to do a test run here. That works very well. So, very simple way to build a quick little lid. Wabang! Here's what I have so far. A piece of drip edge, yes. 2 sheets of corrugated tin. Oh yeah. Alright, so I built a ledge around my box, and then basically a lip around the top of the box here, which closes down around over that lip, as you can see, and just 3/4 inch strips here, which I'm going to fasten the roof to. Okay, and then I have some bolts here. This will serve as my locking mechanism. I'll show you that later. Also, I'm trying to go cheap, and I didn't want to buy a whole roll of tar paper for the roof, so I'm just going to go with the building wrap I bought, because that was 26 bucks for a roll, and all I did was wrap just that. So I did get some pole barn screws with washers, so that should do the trick. If it's not sealed there, then it's not sealed anywhere. Also, caulk for the inside, because bugs are apt to crawl in there, and now they're not going to. And water's not going to wake up in there and ruin my storage stuff. I always forget this step. Okay, now for the back, I'm going to put the strip edge on, like that. Screw it in, bend that down, and screw that down.
Hey kid, look it! I found a perfect area for a hiding spot! Look it! Put it down back here! Come on! Look it, we could have a hiding spot right in there. Look at the hiding spot area.
Watch out, dude. You're messing this all up.
Dude! I can use this wood right here. Look at it. I can make a stand with this wood. Like lay it straight up. Look at it, Matt. I could lay this thing like straight up somewhere and make it.
That's my piece of wood. Just leave it alone. All the stuff here is mine.
However, just don't touch it.
Okay.
Put it there if you have to touch.
Oh, I like looking back
You
here.
can look, but if you have to touch, you have to come over here. Or chase you down.
They
and
don't.
things work out.
There you go.
Look at what I got.
Yeah, be careful.
I know that.
Hey,
Okay.
all of you guys, come here. This is sharp back here.
And in the front, it's wood.
So you see this?
Yeah, and this is very sharp.
Yes, be careful.
No, don't poke your finger right here.
No, no.
That'll make a hole. Matt.
Real simple, real easy. The lid just hinges up, and I stored quite a bit of stuff in here, and there's room for more if I were to reorganize this a little bit. Only $200, well, around $200 in total to make this box. Alright, well that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching. Press the like button, subscribe, comment, whatever. Have a great day and get out into nature.